We've had this day, it's one of a kind. It's a day that we cannot imagine having such. What I have learned today is that we can collaborate, we can do so many things in school, but this outsmarts all of them.
This fun day should be encouraged mainly because it should start from the zonals, because breaking the monotony in class, whereby in the morning you start the program, maybe the assembly, then now lessons, here you must build the timelines of marking, again you have the family at home, you're supposed to see them again. So I think that the government should give us a chance whereby you have the fun day from zonal level towards the national level.
I want to call upon the Employer Teacher Service Commission to think of making it an annual event. We want to call upon the Ministry of Science and Education and Science and Technology to also come forward so that we can tap the talent of the teachers.